Everyone, today we are diving into a specific strain of gut bacteria that has a specific scientific world completely captivated right now, and it's called Akkermansia muciniphila. And now most gut bacteria feed on the fiber and plant foods that you eat, but Akkermansia is unique. It feeds directly onto the mucine lining of your gut wall, which is a mucus lining. And that might sound like a bad thing, but it's actually a brilliant biological trick. By consistently consuming and recycling that inner lining, Akkermansia forces your body to produce fresh new mucus. And this creates a thicker, stronger gut barrier, which prevents untoward particles from leaking into your bloodstream and triggering systemic inflammation, which is brilliant. I've just ordered a bottle of Akkermansia and I'm going to let you guys know how I go with it. And I want to talk also about what the breakthrough research reveals. So why are scientists so excited about it? Let's look at the data. Metabolic health and your weight. A landmark 2019 proof of concept study published in Nature Medicine tested Akkermansia in human volunteers with metabolic syndrome. And researchers found that supplementing with Akkermansia improved insulin sensitivity and reduced total cholesterol and decreased markers of liver dysfunction and inflammation. Let's look at the weight connection too. So multiple clinical studies show that people with healthy metabolic markers and lower body fat naturally carry significantly higher levels of Akkermansia in their microbiomes compared to those with obesity or type 2 diabetes. I want to talk about immunity and gut barrier too. So beyond metabolic health, studies in journals like Gut highlight its pivotal role excuse me, in keeping the intestinal lining tight, reducing overall low-grade systemic inflammation throughout the body, which is fabulous, guys. I can't wait to take it. I want to talk to you about how you can boost your Akkermansia that's made in your body naturally. Because Akkermansia is an anaerobic bacterium, it can't survive in the presence of oxygen and can't be exposed in oxygen. Traditional probiotics couldn't easily feature live strain formulations for a long time, but while pasteurized and targeted formulations exist today, you can also naturally nourish and multiply the Akkermansia already living in your gut. Let's look at polyphenol-rich foods. Akkermansia actually thrives on polyphenols like plants, aka plants. Focus on foods like pomegranates, cranberries, dark berries, green tea and raw cacao. Pomegranate in particular also contains L-argitannins, which convert to urolithins in the gut and selectively nourish, Akkermansia. And prebiotic fibers, inulin-rich foods like garlic, onions, leeks and asparagus provide structural fuel that helps beneficial strains multiply. Fasting windows. I fast, but not huge, guys. I've told you that before. Anyone fasting, Akkermansia feeds on gut mucin when external food isn't coming in, when you're not eating in that window. Incorporating reasonable structured fasting windows gives it time to work on strengthening your gut lining, which is very interesting. And to wrap it up, Akkermansia muciniphila acts like a dedicated caretaker for your intestinal lining, directly linked to metabolic resilience, balanced blood sugar, and also lower systemic inflammation, which is amazing. And focus on feeding your gut a colourful variety of polyphenol dense foods and rich plant fibres to keep this vital microbe thriving. If you want, you can actually look at my 30 plant challenge as well. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have time, buy me a hot chocolate to support my channel, and I'll put the link in description. And take care, guys, until the next time.